Hi, it's the Awesome Vegan Gal here, and today I am reviewing products from a company that is called Coconut Bowls, and it's a very interesting company, and I'm going to give you a lot of really good information, and you can also check out their website for all they offer, and tell you what this is all about. So first I'm going to just start with some basic information, and then tell you about the products that I have from them. There's a lot to share, so just bear with me. And then I'm also going to include a link below to show you how these are actually made. So I'll get to what I have shortly, but I just wanted to share with you that, so their products are, and then you'll see them so you'll know what I'm talking about. The products are eco-friendly, sourced sustainably, ethically made, and all orders are packaged with recyclable materials. 1% of all proceeds also get donated to environmental initiatives via their commitment to 1% for the planet. And like I said, I will show you how they are made. And they got actually we're the best for the world by the B Corporation, which is it's something for sustainability in 2022. So the person who created this company, he gives a little background. He says, I started Coconut Bowls back in Bali in 2016. When I packed a surfboard bag full of coconut shells and brought them back to Australia with me. Fast forward 6 years, well now it's I guess going on 7, Coconut Bowls has been awarded for our environmental impact and for leading the way towards a more sustainable and regenerative planet. We built this brand with a mission to replace single-use plastics with 100% natural, handcrafted, and beautiful alternatives, with over 1 billion coconut shells going to waste every year. By reclaiming these shells and repurposing them into bowls, coconut farmers earn an additional income for their waste product, while rural artisan communities earn an income for using century-old craft techniques passed on from generation to generation. From trash to treasure, Coconut Bowls help you connect with nature and can play a part in helping you live a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle. And then he says, thank you so much to everyone for support over the years. This award is very much for me as it is for us. It says, whether you're a customer supporter or you're simply just interested in what we're doing, I truly appreciate. Together we're building a better world. His name is Jake McKeon. And then more information about them. So it goes from tree to table. So their materials, they say we reclaim waste coconut shells and turn them into a resource. We work with local artisans to handcraft the offcuts into spoons, forks, knives, and chopsticks, leaving next to no waste behind. And then about their packaging, we use compostable, recycled, and reusable packaging. Members of Eco Packing Alliance, we can assure you that every order you make contributes to global reforestation. Every time you unbox your package, you're a part of our journey to become 100% plastic free. And then they go on to shipping. In 2019, we were able to calculate and offset our carbon footprint dating back to the very first coconut bowls shipped in 2016, making us 100% carbon neutral. We also continue to team up with local and global courier services that share the same sustainability values as ours. And then as far as doing business, Coconut Bowls is more than just a brand. We are a movement for global sustainability. We are committed to social and economic practices. We've become a verified member of the 1% of the planet. I mentioned that before. It is our responsibility to ensure that we have a positive impact on people and our planet at every step of the Coconut Bowls journey. And this is our greatest joy. So that's just some information. It's probably on the website. I'm not sure if it is or not. And then let me see what else did I want to share with you. I think I mentioned some of these things already. Okay, yeah. Now I'm going to go on to share with you, let's see. I guess I'll share with you the actual products, and because there's still more to share about different things, but I think that'll be once I show you the products. So what I have is something called the Eco Starter Set. And they have different things on their website. I don't know if things have changed, so you'll see that on their website. It says it's the perfect set to kickstart your sustainable lifestyle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the box now and show you what I have in here. And then there's more. I'm just going to take that out and show you. So, and then I got some additional items as well that were not part of the kit. And normally it comes in actually its own starter kit box if you can have that. So I'm doing without it. So just bear with me for 1 minute. I'm going to put the box down and let's see, put this down here. And what I'm going to do is take out the items that are from the kit only and then show you the other ones afterwards. So just bear with me. I got to get them out of the box. I didn't have a place to put them. Okay, so that's the other else that I got. I don't see it here. Okay, so I'm trying to see if I got the right items. Well, we'll start with what I have. I think this is part of the kit, because I didn't actually open the items yet. Oh yeah, this is something that wasn't part of the kit, so let me take that out to show you after, but I'll put it down here. So what comes in the kit is a jumbo coconut bowl, an original coconut bowl, a bamboo cup, a wooden Buddha spoon, and a wooden Buddha fork, and one bamboo straw and cleaning brush. So I'm going to open those up here. And I have one more item, I think, to bring over that is part of this kit. So let me see if I missed something. Yeah, I missed something here. And you see, like I said, they wrap everything in paper. They don't use any plastic. So first, here I have the spoon, the fork and the spoon. It has its little stick. So there's the fork and there's the spoon. So if I was setting up, here's my placemat. I could set that up here. Okay, so that's a fork and the spoon. Don't need that paper. I'll recycle that. Then in here is the straw. They actually gave me 2 size straws. I guess 2 come in the package. And then there's actually a brush to clean them. So these are, I think they're bamboo. Let me see what it said. They're bamboo straw. It said 1, but it seems like I have 2. 2 different sizes. There's one that's a wider mouth and one that's a smaller. Okay, and that would go with the cup. So here is our bamboo cup. So yeah, like everything is wrapped in paper that's recycled, and there's stickers, and it says here, made by nature, crafted by hand. But this is not the, this is not the coconut. This is actually bamboo, which is also very good too. So I'm going to open this up. Like I said, I never opened this up yet. I haven't used the product, and I don't know that I'll do a video showing the products, making something in them, but just to show you, this is a nice cup. And they have in here, I guess it's a desiccant, just so that it's, I guess it stays. So they have CB for coconut balls. So this is actually a really nice cup. I don't know what size it is. I don't have that written down here, but it's really nice. It's a really nice size. And this is something you could have smoothies with. Sorry, I'm not in the camera. This is something you can have smoothies with, and here's your straws. So we'll put the straws in there. We're just making a display here. And then this is, I believe, the original bowl, and this is the jumbo one. So we're going to open those up. And the paper's really nice if you wanted to reuse it for something, if you had to wrap something else. I'll take one out and show you what they have in it. So this is nice. This is one of the coconut bowls. And everyone is unique. None of them are the same. So it just has, I guess, pictures of the bowl on here, and then some palm trees. And just the word coconut bowl. So, and then it says, let's see if there's anything else to show. Yeah, so it's just basically that. That's just their paper. And then they have some other paper inside of it too. So, so each one is unique. So this is, I guess, the smaller one. But it's quite interesting. It's like, if you look at it, everything is unique. If you look at the inside, it's beautiful. I mean, that's the coconut shell, and it's all smoothed out, and everyone you get is unique as far as like the shading on it, or the that you're getting. It's, I don't know if you could see all of it. I'll try getting it into the light. You can see how beautiful that is. And then I'm going to tell you about different things, how to maintain it, etc. And then this is the larger one, what they call the jumbo, I believe. The jumbo, yes, this is the jumbo bowl. So this is really big. Check out the difference between the two. You could tell, like, how much they cut the coconut a little different to make a larger bowl. Again, each one is distinct, and then they actually have it on the bottom. It's carved into it, where it says "Made by Nature, Crafted by Hand Coconut Bowls." I don't know how they do that, but that's pretty neat. So I don't know if you could see that in the camera. And then again, like I said, each one is unique how it's made. So we got our 2 bowls here. We got our cup, and we got our fork and our spoon and our straws. And then I bought additionally, this is another spoon. I forget, I should have marked down what this was, and I forgot. It's a different kind of a spoon that I ordered. It's nice. I'll have to look that up, and then I can add it underneath what I got here. So what I also got additionally, that was not part of the kit, but this is a cup that you could also do for smoothies. It's a smaller type of cup. I have to look that up on my notes. I think it's called let me see here. I wrote it down. Yeah, it's a cup for smoothies or breakfast bowls. So this is a different shape, as you can see. It's more like it's smaller, but it's wide too. Even though these are wide, so this is what the cup looks like. And again, each one is unique to itself as far as like what it looks like and inside of it, the coloring. So now I've got those three, and I have more. So I don't know how I would. I guess I could stack these up for now. If I was making a plate on a placemat, I guess I don't have a knife, but I've got a lot of bowls. But I have one more item that I got, and this is I believe it's a bamboo plate. It's actually really nice. So this is some more of the nice paper that they put all the information on. They're a certified B Corporation too. So this is a really nice plate, and I think it's a bamboo one. Yeah, that is really nice. Wow, look at that. I believe it's bamboo. I could be wrong, but look at the colors on it. Unless it's like wood, I'm not sure, but it's really interesting. Look at that. Look at the shading. It's got like its own color. But again, I'll have to look that up and let you know. So here, if we were setting up a table, I have too many bowls here. So let's say if I was making my place set up, and I have my plate, I've got my fork, and I've got actually 2 spoons. And I don't know if you could see that. I'll move this away so you can kind of see my place setting. And then I can always have my bowl here, and a bowl here, and a bowl there, I guess, right? And then the cup. So just so you see how, you can make your arrangement. And it's beautiful. It's all natural. It's very in tune with nature and with natural living. So I think that's really cool. So now I have more information I would like to share with you. Some just important stuff that is good to know. So there's different sizes, like I said. The original I have, and I have the jumbo. There's also a mini one, and then I have the cup. So some more information as far as them lasting. How do you care for them? They can last a lifetime if you show them the proper care. So as far as heat, can you put hot things in these things, and even in the, I think, bamboo cup too. It says soup and warm bowls, but no extreme heat, and no microwave or dishwasher. They have to be washed, with cold water too. So again, if it's something that's just warm, kind of like room temperature, I'll move this out of the way so you can see, then that's okay. But it shouldn't be anything hot. As far as hydration, how do you keep these, looking nice? Is you should apply, it says coconut oil generously after 10 uses to bring out the natural shine. And where are the coconuts grown? It says they're reclaimed waste coconut shells, otherwise destined for landfills directly from coconut farmers in the south of Vietnam, in an area called Ben Tre. Or Ben, I forgot, I don't know what I wrote here, but it's something, don't remember. Okay, and then it says we provide these farmers with a new source of income for their harvest and pay them a fair price that they set, and we do not negotiate. And then how are they made? They say, and this may have changed, but this is information I have. 12 pair of hands lovingly transform these reclaimed shells into beautiful bowls that you can eat from. Again, that's the bowls. I don't know about the other products. I mean, maybe they're also part of it. I just don't know for sure. Our talented artisans cut clean sand the shells and finish them with organic virgin coconut oil polish before packing them, plastic-free, ready to be shipped to your door. And how long do they last? That's important to know. Because coconut bowls are a product of nature, their durability can't always be predicted. But with proper care, they can last for years and years. We know breaks can happen, which is why we offer a lifetime guarantee on all our products and will happily offer replacements. So they do offer that, which is pretty amazing. And how do I dispose of my coconut balls? Like, let's say you're ready, it's kind of lasted its lifetime and you're ready to move on with it. So it says all coconut balls and bamboo products are 100% natural and biodegradable in your home compost or the green waste bin, closing the coconut loop. Your coconut balls can also be repurposed into planters, candle and jewelry holders. The only limit is your imagination. So basically, after you're done using them for your food, you could see if there's another way that you could use them afterwards. So basically, that's it. Again, the sky's the limit. Looks like you could use these salads, like smoothies, cold soups, or warm type soups, but not hot. Just about anything, desserts, your smoothies in their cup. just endless. And then you have the beautiful plate where you could put things on too. And I don't know, and I imagine this too. You wouldn't put things that are extremely hot. As well, and you don't. I don't know if they said to use soap and water. I don't remember as far as washing it, but you could see all more of that information on their website. So again, this is mostly the starter kit and some additional spoon and plate and the little cup as well. So definitely check out this company. They're pretty amazing in what they do. It's called Coconut Bowls, and try them out for yourself and see what you think. And I thank you for watching. It's the Rawesome Vegan Gal.